Hi friends, Raam Anand here once again with another interesting video for you. But before we continue, if you are liking these kind of videos, let me know. Share the love, like the video, comment on the video, and share these videos with others that you want to share the love and the the insights as well. Of course, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to send them over to me. I am so happy. I personally answer all the questions and look at all the comments. So today I have some interesting ideas, big ideas to share with you. And this is about how to choose what you're doing right now or what you want to do. There is a framework, like I'm kind of a frameworks person. I try to bring different kinds of frameworks to get things done. Frameworks are like formulae in like a chemistry formula, like these 2, 3, 4 things put together in these conditions produce these results. It is certain. The results are certain. See, not to make results certain in this volatile world, I use frameworks for most of my things. And here today I want to share with you what the E.N.P.O.P framework. I mean, it is E.N.P.O.P is a acronym, E.N.P.O.P, E.N.P.O.P framework. Let me walk you through that. The first E, and this is about how to choose the work that you are doing or that you want to do so that it makes so much sense. Let's say you want to write a book, for example. How to know whether this is going to work for you? Or you want to start a new business. How do you know in advance that you can succeed in this? Or let's say you want to develop a new skill. How do you know the time and resources that you spend is going to be worthwhile for you? And how to measure this? So I have this framework for you. The first E stands for enjoyment. I mean, I want you to score yourself on a scale of 1 to 10. And all these questions, I'm going to ask you 5 questions. All right. The first question is, how much do you enjoy doing this kind of work? On a scale of 1 to 10, score yourself 1 through 10. Anything that you're going to do involves work, involves effort. So how much do you enjoy putting effort doing this work on a scale of 1 to 10? 1 is, no, I don't like it at all, but it's a necessity. I have to do it. I must do it. And I really, the joy part is not there. This is grunt work. If you feel it that way, it's 1. 10 is super excited, walking on the wall, and give me this thing. I don't care anything else. I want to get started as quickly as possible. That is 10. So score yourself 1 to 10. No number is right or wrong answer. Just go with your intuition and see what comes out. Second thing, I would score myself on how much does the world need or want this, whatever that is you're creating. For example, let's say, imagine you're writing a book. So how much, the first question is, how much do you enjoy doing this project? And the second question is, how much does this, the world needs this or want this? Like you're putting together, maybe let's say you want to write about your personal journey. Does the world want it, need it? Or let's say you want to write about a book about your insights. So how much does the world want it, need it? So that is the question. On a scale of 1 to 10, I don't think anybody needs this, wants this, maybe just me and my family. On the other side, 10 means the world needs this. There are millions of people who may want this insight or this product or this service, whatever that you're trying to do, your project, the output of your project. 1 to 10. Score yourself on that. Now comes the P. E and N. E stands for enjoyment and N stands for need of or needed by the market. Now P stands for it is pay willingly, which means are people willing to pay for this product or service or book that you are trying to create? Are people willing to pay? That's the P. Pay for this. Again, score from 1 to 10. 1 is no, nobody wants to pay for this willingly, but I don't care. 10, yes, this is something that people need, something that people want, solves a problem, people are willing to pay, they are paying, they are already suffering, they would gladly pay for the solution or the information or the insight or the product or the service that I'm going to create. Perfect. It is scored on a scale of 1 to 10. Next one. O, operate efficiently. Can this be operated or used or fulfilled efficiently on a scale of 1 to 10? 1, now it's very, very difficult to fulfill this. It's a great service, for example, but it's not easy to fulfill. Or it's a great product, not easy to fulfill. It's a fantastic offer, but it can only be done with all these limitations around. Or the other side, this is something that can be efficiently fulfilled. If it is a product, it can be efficiently sold, purchased, or if it is a service, it can be efficiently fulfilled and serviced. So that is the scale, 1 to 10. Score yourself on that. And the final P, now we got E.N.P.O, operational efficiency. The last P is profitability to sustain. Very, very important. So is this profitable enough to sustain? That is the question on a scale of 1 to 10. Score yourself whether you think this is profitable to continue doing this or it is not. The 1 stands for no, it's not at all profitable. I don't know. I mean, it is too risky. Or on a scale of on the scale on the score of 10 indicates yes, this looks like profitable and it can be sustained. There is enough kind of buffer or margin involved so that this can be sustainably sold over a time. So that is the E.N.P.O.P framework. Now coming back to your scores. So if you have scored, there are 5 questions on a scale of 1 to 10 each. So the maximum score is 50, minimum score is 0, or even if you give 1, 1, 1, it is 5. So your score could be anywhere between 5 or 0 to 50. If you are 50, fine. Stop this video, go ahead, start doing. But what you consider as doable is, in my experience of using this framework myself, and also I have taught this to many people, especially people who are authors or aspiring authors who have used this in their business and during this book writing projects as well. When we have used this framework, we have figured out that any number above 35 and above, if your score is 35 and above, then this project is going to work for you. If it is anything below 35, then you need to take a look at the options once again. Maybe you need to work on the project, move these needles here and there, push the dials up and down, ensure that you are achieving at least 35 on this scale so that your project is completed, is fulfilled, and it gets done. This is the E.N.P.O.P framework. Hope you liked this video. If you did, tell me by liking this video and commenting and sharing this video with 2 other people, and they will love you for sharing this, and I will love you too. And until then, let's meet again in another video. And until then, keep smiling, believe in yourself, and then pop your way to super success. Thank you.